So I'm in Final Cut, you guys. Like I said, I
Get money, get money, get money, get money, get money, get money, get money.
That get money music, baby.
Get money, get money, get money.
All
Hustle, 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 hustle. All hustle, 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 hustle.
So you guys, I am in my studio. I just got done filming a review of this synthetic wig that I dyed. It was blonde and I took it to the blue, and so I'm going to show you in a video how you can do that too. I will put the link down below to the actual video. Just got done doing it, but what I wanted to share with you guys, because you've seen me do a million videos and tutorials if you follow me here on Life of Entrepreneur, and I didn't want to keep showing that, but I do want to show you guys what's exciting is my new setup. So here is my new camera. It is the Canon T6i. I know that it's not the latest and greatest camera, but it is an upgrade from the camera that I was using, and it's still a pretty good camera because they're coming out with new ones. I still think this one is an oldie but goodie, so I got it for a great deal for I think I paid $500 for it or $600. I can't remember. But yeah, I will put a link down below too for that. And then I still have my lights. And then you guys, I bought a new light. So this light, and I actually have to get some weights because see that bag back there? I know my office is a mess. Just excuse it. But if you see that bag back there, you put rocks in it and then this can go higher. So I got this light to shine directly above me so the light can be down on me because my videos used to be a little dark, but I think they're going to be so much better. And then you guys, I got all of these lights. I got a wig head. I made my first wig and I'm going to be making another wig, but I'll be honest with you guys, I haven't been videoing everything I've been doing, but I'm going to start videoing it. So yeah, so that's what I've been up to, is just trying to step up my game and really get focused and just step up my skill set for 2019 in the wig game. So teaching myself how to make wigs, and I don't know if I will sell wigs. I think I did a, what's the word I'm looking for? A poll on Silky Sack's Instagram. And if you're not following us over on Instagram, follow us. But yeah, I did a poll on there asking, should we add wigs to our product line, and everybody, like 100% that took it, said yes. So that is something I'm going to be working on, but I want to take my time and really make it right, because at Silky Sacks, we are quality, we are luxury, and I can't just be giving y'all no anything. So I'm going to be working on that. On the meantime, I have something else I'm working on, you guys. It is super cool. We're coming out with barrettes, so I'm excited about that, working on that. So I'll start sharing a little bit more of that with you guys. So yeah, that's what I've been up to, knocking out some videos. Now I gotta go and get my edit on. So you guys, I'm in my office, and like I said earlier, I'm done shooting the video. Now I'm getting ready to go ahead and edit the video, and I edit in Final Cut Pro. I've upgraded everything, you guys. So editing Final Cut Pro. But before I show you, one thing I've learned is that you never take off your makeup, your wig, anything until you are done. So if you film videos and you're on set, don't change anything till after you've edited and looked at the footage on your computer, because a lot of times you're looking on your little computer screen and little flubs and things, maybe a hair is out of place, makeup or something, you can't really see. So always look in the mirror before you get on camera, and then always just stay in and look at the footage on your computer, so that if you have to go in and retake or do anything, you can already be in the look, because who wants to keep making themselves up over and over again and doing this stuff? So let me show you. So I'm in Final Cut, you guys. Like I said, I upgraded everything, even my editing program. So I'm just in here editing and putting in like some of the overlays, little things that pop up to say subscribe, and you know, if you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Facebook, give us a like, you know, all that kind of little thing. And I'm not a master in it yet, but I am learning. So there you go. So I will put the link down below in the comments of where the video is, so that you can go check it out. And then I still got to go in and just make some edits. So So that's it. I know my office is always a mess, you guys. Just forgive me. I mean, that's life of entrepreneur. It's a mess, okay? But my roommate, my housemate, I'm not. But yeah, so just in here editing the video. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching. and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, turn on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a new video. If you're watching on Facebook, go ahead and give me a like and like this page so that you can see more of the videos. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope that these Life of Entrepreneurs are helping you, inspiring you, because that's what I do them for. And if you have any questions about wigs and the business, go ahead and put them in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Also, down in the description bar, I will put this actual video because I'm sure it's up by now. So I always want to say thank you so much for watching. Keep God first and create opportunities. Bye.